Hey everyone, I'm going to do a Kgateway Scalability test with 10,000 routes and 10,000 backends. Let's go. This is my route template. You can see this is a route for the HTTP gateway in Kgateway system, and each route has its own backend. In this case, I'm using a simple backend, which points to a static host http.io. This is my gateway resource to deploy the HTTP bean Kgateway. To use the template, I'm going to use this simple tool in Kgateway to load up 10,000 routes and backends starting from 0 to 9999. This command actually going to take a while. You can see it's been running for a while. We expect it might take 20 minutes. On my cluster, you can see 6228 clusters have already been added. Lots Envoy configuration being loaded onto my cluster and transfer from control plane to data plane. There's slight CPU usage increase as part of the test and a little bit more memory increase, particularly for the Envoy proxy, which is HTTP. Now that the test has finished, let's send some requests to the routes. You can see 9999 works and 10,000 doesn't work, which is expected. Let's send a couple of more random routes. It all works perfectly fine. So to continue the test, let's add the 10,000 routes using the same command tool. This time we added iteration 1, which means only load the particular 10,000 routes. Now let's hit the endpoint. Ta-da! It's already working, right? This is all happening so fast. Now let's go ahead timing this using the data command. So this time we're going to load 10,001 routes and backend, and let's go ahead send the request. You can see the route is already functioning, even though the cluster already have 20,000 objects. Let's make some modification to the 10,000 routes. Add some header to the response. Let's go ahead apply the modified route to the Kubernetes cluster. All right, the route is configured. Let's send some request, and hopefully we should be able to see the route change effective immediately. Ta-da! I'm seeing the Kgateway and hello Kgateway in the response header. Let's go ahead and delete our route 10,000. Now you can see the route is not found. And let's change that to running a loop to route 9,999. Now we're going to go ahead and delete the Kgateway control plane. You can see the route request is still functioning. There's no impact to the routes. Back to the dashboard, CPU and memory, not much change when the control plane is down. Let's do a count of HTTP routes on my system. It's over 10,000. And let's do a count on the backend as well. It's also over 10,000. Hey folks, that is Kgateway handling 10,000 routes and backends, adding a new route, modify an existing route, delete a route, and also explore a control plane downtime. I can't wait to see what cool things you might be able to build with Kgateway. Thank you so much for watching.